Hey everyone, in today's iMessages video, I'm going to show you how to recover deleted iMessages without backup if you accidentally deleted iMessages conversation, and you may not back them up. It's not necessarily easy to do, but it is possible. For the recovery to work, you need to first stop using your iPhone if not backed up and iMessages have been deleted or lost for whatever reason. Now let's go over step by step to retrieve deleted iMessages when there's no backup. The messages are not actually gone for good, and they're still in the iOS SQLite database before any new information overwrites the file system. To recover deleted iMessages, you will need iOS Data Recovery application. The software can perform a deep scan on the device memory to find deleted, but not yet overwritten data. The mode of recover from iOS device comes in handy and provides excellent capabilities to recover deleted iMessages that have never been backed up. It simplifies the process into 3 steps, that is, connect your iPhone into computer for a full scan, preview and choose which data you want, and recover deleted iMessages. We'll insert the download link in the description section below, and you can be directed to the product page from AppGeeker and get the iMessages recovery tool quickly. The program is available for Windows and Mac. Alright, follow these steps to scan your iPhone for the deleted iMessages and recover them in just a few minutes. First, start iOS Data Recovery on your PC or Mac. Then choose the recovery method. The default is to recover from iOS device. Next, plug your iPhone into your computer. When it's recognized, the app will display the iPhone icon on its screen. Click Start Scan button. The tool is now scanning your iPhone storage and searching for the iMessages you might have deleted, as well as other data that can be recovered. It can find both deleted and existing data. Depending on the amount of data on your device, the scan process will take several minutes to finish. Okay, the scan is done. All data are sorted into different categories on the left panel. You can click each one to preview the data. To recover iMessages, uncheck your iPhone at the top, select only the Messages category. Then select the deleted iMessages along with the phone numbers you want to get back. You can get back a deleted iMessage conversion by checking the box on the middle pane, or retrieve a certain message on the right pane. It's up to you. That's done. Click the Recover button. On the pop-up window, choose where you want your deleted iMessages save on the hard drive. Finally, hit the Recover button. You should now get deleted iMessages without backup. See? The software has done its magic work to recover deleted iMessages without backup. It can also scan your iCloud backup and iTunes backup to restore messages without restoring your phone. No data will be lost with the recovery software. It could be well worth a try to get iMessages back if your backup contains the conversation you deleted. Well done. That's the recovery method to recover deleted iMessages without being backed up to iCloud or iTunes. Hope this video is helpful for you. I'll be appreciated if you could give it a thumbs up and subscribe to AppGeeker channel. If you have any question about the recovery, let us know in the comments section below. See you in the next video.